enjoy the moment. It is literally about appreciating what you got. There's so much around you. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy this process that you're never going to get back here ever again. This is the last time you're going to experience this. Whatever position you're in today, some of you, this is your first year. Some of you, this is your second year. You're a sophomore. Some of you, this is your first time taking money seriously. This is your 10th year taking money seriously. Whatever. The point is, you'll never get to relive that period. So I hope you realize that. Are you enjoying it? I encourage you all. This is the beginning of the year before life takes over and we do our thing. I just encourage you to enjoy this moment and see how far you've came. Be grateful, be excited about it, and make the most of it. Because that's what it comes down to. And at the same time, we need to stay disciplined. We have to put in a lot of work. We have to do a lot of different things. Don't get caught up wasting your time in this moment. Don't get caught up focusing with anxiety on the future. You only get one first year. You only get one second year. It's for you. Make it easier on yourself, and that is really going to be enjoying it, and watch what happens. Stop being attached to the money. Stop being attached to the hatred, the negativity. Stop being attached to what somebody did to you. I hope you're ready for the rest of this year, and I hope you guys could really absolutely enjoy this moment that you're in. And use this as your opportunity to realize where you are now, where you came from, and where you're going. And that's where it starts.